Rani Verma, a source of inspiration and motivation to thousands of people who believe life is tough and success is impossible. Rani took birth in a poor family in a small village near Varanasi. She was leading a normal life, but one day her life was shattered when she met with an accident and lost both the hands at the age of 9. She not only lost her hands, but she had lost her hope to live. She had never imagined how to live without hands. She started living isolated from her friends and family members, and her life was heading towards unknown darkness. At this stage, her mother encouraged her to go to school, and she also motivated Rani to write with her feet. Because of Rani's determination and mother's support, she started writing with her feet. A new hope was lightened in her dark life, and she was happy. But life was not so easy for Rani. She lost her mother when she was in class 10th. But this time, Rani did not lose hope because she wanted to fulfill her mother's dream. She passed the matriculation exam with flying colors, for which she received scholarships and certificates from various government authorities. After passing 12th standard, she obtained first-class degree in mechanical engineering. After engineering, she was completely confused to choose the career path for her life. At this stage, she came to Made Easy with her classmates. After listening her struggle story and seeing her sky-touching ambitions, Mr. B. Singh and Mrs. Jyoti Singh, directors of Made Easy Group, extended their full support to Rani Verma. And this was the turning point of her life.
Rani Verma met me 1 year back for the career guidance from Made Easy and expressed her desire to qualify GATE and UPSC exams. Looking on her physical disability, it was tough to believe. But yes, I saw a dedication and commitment in her personality. After 1 year, in her very first attempt, she qualified the GATE exam, and that too with a good rank, and secured admission in IIT Mumbai, and also received interview calls from public sectors. Rani Verma joined Made Easy and taught a lesson to us that it is not the physical disability, but it is the mental disability which makes the sickness, and it becomes the barrier in our success. Many people do not dare to face challenges in their life, but my question is that if a girl who comes from a rural background, who is economically weak, whose father is a farmer, who comes from a village and having the physical disability, if she had done it, then why not you? I believe there is nothing which is impossible. There is nothing which cannot be done. I suggest you keep your eyes on these stars and feet on the earth and proceed with a proper planning and guidance. You will succeed, it is my belief. If you are an engineer and you are looking your career through the competitive exams and you want any support from Made Easy, then I am eager to help, guide, motivate and inspire you to achieve your career goal, and it will be a proud moment for me that Made Easy becomes a success partner for you. Rani Verma, a real source of inspiration. She has not only inspired students, but she has inspired teachers. I wish her a very successful career and very happy life coming ahead.
I belong to very small village and life was very difficult for me. First I lost my hands, but I really become handicapped when I lost my mother at very young age. But I had decided that I will never give up and I will fulfill my mother's dream. My sisters, my friends and my teachers supported me a lot in my tough times, and when I was scared, I cracked GATE exam and I got admission in IIT Mumbai. Also, I have got interview call from NTPC and Indian Oil. I thank B-Singh sir and Medi ji for their support. Today I can say yes, I have achieved something, and I can proudly say that yes, I am engineer and I am nevertheless than any other engineers who have hands. मैं ईश्वर से ये नहीं कहती कि मुझे कष्ट ना दो, मुझे कष्ट दो, लेकिन मुझे कष्टों का सामना करने के लिए हिम्मत भी दो. Dear engineers, impossible is just a word in dictionary. Nothing more than that. Impossible is nothing. If I can do it, why not you?
Rani Verma is true inspiration to many young engineers. She belongs to a poor family. She lost her hands, she lost her mother, and in spite of all these problems, she achieved her goal. I am very proud to have students like Rani Verma at Made Easy. Moreover, she has taught us how to lead a life. She has proved that nothing is impossible if you have zeal to achieve something. Made Easy is always open to support needy candidates who wants to crack engineering services, GATE or public sector exams. I wish her good luck and success in life.
For more details, visit www.madeeasy.in.